Hi there, I am Ibrahim, your daily skill plug. And today I'll be talking about social media marketing, the success behind every brand. If you can design, edit, and post, you control the attention. And the attention is the profit. Well, here at ICSA, we teach this at a professional level. You will start with learning Photoshop, not just the basics, not just the beginner, but the advanced tools such as image retouching, adding banners, product designing, lighting, blending, mockups, and high quality marketing designs that make your designs look extremely professional. Then you will learn illustration for logo and branding. Then Canva for fast, modern, and quick designing. Then you will also learn CapCut for smooth reels, transitions, sound syncing captions, effects, everything you need for a professional video. You will also learn how to properly set up and optimize your Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages, bio, highlights, posting strategies, ads, and content flow. By the end, you won't just be posting, you will be creating professional ads, reels, posters, social media content, and full brand pages. Look, social media marketing is a must for people who want to become the power behind every business. I am Ibrahim, your daily skill plug, waiting for you here at ICSA.